Today we are going to be making puff puff. Puff puff is a popular street food in Cameroon, Nigeria and most African countries. It is very simple, easy to make, just 4 ingredients and your puff puff is ready. Welcome back to Little Flavors and Lifestyle. Your presence is always appreciated. Let us get started, guys. In this recipe, we'll be needing 1 kilogram of flour, 2 cups of fresh yeast, which is about 84 grams, a cup of milk mixed with water, a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of sugar. Also, you might use a nut milk, it is optional. In a bowl, we are going to combine all the dry ingredients, then a cup of warm water combined with milk and fresh yeast. We will give it a quick mix and we'll keep mixing until we have a good consistency. Next, you cover and let it rest for about 45 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes and it has doubled in size. You can see the consistency and now it's ready for frying. We will fry on medium heat till it is golden brown. We will put in tiny scoop using the space between our thumb and the tiny finger. If it is your first time doing this, you just need to practice and everything will be okay with time. here is our puff puff looking so soft, yummy and tasty. It is so easy to make, guys, and it tastes so good. You can have it with beans, especially for us Cameroonians. We don't forget our popular achumbo. Don't forget to like and share this video, guys, for more amazing simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.